All right, rise and grind. Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy. We're finna get ready to get a move on. Go get our groove on. I'm supposed to be linking up with my boy Trav over at Driveway, over at Driveway Racing. So we gotta get this ring put in, man. I ain't playing with these. I ain't playing with them boys. So we got what should be everything that we need for the actual, right? And we got the pinion. We got the POSI unit, got the axles, got the lugs. What else do we need? Oh, had the axle seals, got the axle bearings. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all that shit while we in there. And then we got the gear oil over here. I forgot how many it was that we needed. I'm gonna take 3. I think it's 2 that you need, but I'm gonna take 3 just so we ain't gotta do no extra trips. So I got the 3 things of gear oil, all of that. And then that should be it. You know, of course, other than the axles themselves. So there's that. So yeah, man, finna load everything up in the car. Shit, and we finna go get this knocked out this morning. We'll record it as needed, or record as we can and go from there, man. Let's get it. Yo, so we over here at the motherfucking Driveway. Last that you'll see the one wheel peel on this motherfucker. A little Mustang and called us out. We gotta get serious. So y'all know that car. Y'all know it's trouble right there. But let me show y'all the difference between a race car, which is the white one, and a street car, which is this cream coat. I ain't gonna show y'all what's up under there. Maybe later. All right, let's see. How bad that fluid look? It look bad. It did. Somebody's been here before. That's good. If the last time this motherfucker been touched was 1986. I don't know, my nose stuffed up, but does that shit not stink like it usually does? It really do. I think that's another reason. I'm like, fuck, I'm about to deal with this stanky. Oh, the other Driveway crew. Today, I'm not the person that you know. Today, I'm LS Chevy Ride 254. This is Phil.
What's up?
Trusted mechanic. If you know what? Hold on, cut. So where it started? Is this it? Oh shit. I started way the fuck back here. I ain't think that bitch started spinning till.
Yeah.
That was right there. All the way. God damn. I see it now. Walking the green mile. Yeah, damn. So yeah, this is the last. I was gonna shoot y'all a video on the one tie 5, but this the evidence. And then I guess right here I decided to get out that motherfucker. Alright. Yeah, I see it. Look through the hole. Got to start cleaning this shit out. That's surprisingly that shit ain't stink the way it's supposed to. Somebody been in here before he see it. Fucking right. That's the hard part done, right, Trey? Tell the people where they can find you for their automotive needs.
Nowhere. I'm hidden location.
Oh, okay. Well, if y'all want him to do something for y'all, this is a dude I be telling y'all about I tell y'all, when y'all come to me and say y'all need an LS spot, and I be like, I don't do them, this is the guy I'm referring y'all to. So, y'all ain't never really seen nobody work on my fucking car, so if this the man I trust, this the one y'all should trust too. So this right here, this the stock pin. Motherfucker wide as a bitch. What I say, 22, 47. But I ain't get a little video of the other one before you put them in there side by side, but that motherfucker was not that wide. I was surprised that bitch was that wide. You know what that means? That motherfucking Mustang going down, bitch. The boy Trav down here doing the Lord's work. You already put that pin in there? Where is it?
The new one up there and the old one's on top too.
Okay. Y'all gonna show the comparison. So this the one that's going in. Okay. That's the one that's going in. And that's the one that came out.
Nice little difference. And then this 3-speed transmission will be screaming. Oh, you see that overdrive. he finna put one in after he drives it with you.
If I can get Ed to sell me a transmission. Might have to edit that part out. But that's what we going with. That's what was in there. See what that is? And all that's the shade off of there. That's me eating that fucking Mustang up. I told you, Jays, if you watching the video, I'm finna blow this bitch up. Your Mustang will not. We gonna leave it all at Little River. Y'all mark y'all calendars. Y'all see, got the Moser axles in there. Got it all back together. Tools and shit. You good?
We're trying to get the views up.
All the way up.
Ain't no cold water.
Hold on.